Today I'm going to show you a quick way to paint your door with a spray gun and trim as well. So basically I got this spray gun on Amazon for like $30 maybe, 25, 30 bucks. And it had really good reviews, really awesome spray gun. So the name of this one is right here. It's called CARTMAN H27P. So I'm gonna put the link in the description for you guys so you can use it. But again, you know, it's really cool. And this shows the PSI from the tank. And then once, basically it's a gravity fed. So you pour the paint in here and it drips into the gun. And then the pressure spits it out from this point right here. And I filled up the tank, and basically each of these levers, they mean something. This is like the amount of spray that you want going in. This here on this side is the actual width of your spray. So if you turn this way, you're gonna get a more spread out spray. If you turn it the other way, you're gonna get it more fine tuned, like a tip. All right, so this lever right here basically allows the air to come in and out. So if you screw this all the way in, you're gonna push the throttle, nothing's gonna come out. So this just closes the air out. So the first thing, once you set everything up, you open this up and you just start playing with the adjustments a little bit. It feels a little bit complicated at first, but it's not too bad. So mainly work with this. That's your spray point, whether you want it wide or narrow. So like for baseboards, I had it a little bit wider. And then when I'm doing like the doors here, I'm getting into these narrow edges. So I tightened that up a little bit more. And basically here, I can unscrew this and spin this nozzle the other way. So you have, instead of up and down, it can be left and right. And that would make your spray go the other direction. Okay, so I have a pretty small air compressor. So right now we're sitting at about 60 PSI. And right when I start spraying, it's probably gonna turn on and not keep up as well. But let me just show you guys a quick demo of how it works. So right now I'm gonna be painting the edges right here. And when you paint, you wanna be sure to kind of give it a flow each time you push in. You have to push in harder and more paint will come out. And this is the adjuster for that. So let me give you guys a demonstration. There we go. So as you can see, the paint is nicely getting on there. And as you can see, there's like those little areas right there. I can just fill them in a little bit more until they're gone. So, you know, obviously I'll give it another pass. This is kind of the first coat. But then eventually you just get these bigger squares. Just like that. And as you can see, I'm kind of flowing it out. Just like that. And I'm gonna do that on each side. I'm gonna do it, I already did the edges, both the edges. Basically, you know, this whole setup cost me 25 bucks for the gun. And if you have a hose, get a little air compressor. And that's all you would need to paint baseboard and trim. All right, so this is my trim that I already painted. There's just some dirt that fell on it, but it'll come right off. But as you can see, the detail of the paint, it's really nice. No complaints there. It had a really good coverage, and I'm really happy with the results. Definitely recommend it if you're looking for a cheap, affordable spray gun. I mean, this is really cool. All right, so this is the door. So it turned out pretty good. The paint is like pretty evenly distributed. And overall, pretty good progress. It took a little bit longer because of the small compressor that I have, but this is good overall. And this is the compressor that I have. So it is a little bit smaller. So it was pretty much pumping the whole time I was painting. I even had to stop and wait a few 30 seconds to a minute for it to catch up. But yeah, that's basically it. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. If you do, you know, feel free to ask. And if there's any comments, anything else, be sure to use my link in the description. Or if you found this helpful, thumbs the video up. And appreciate for watching. Until next time, thanks.